Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be replacing the ball joint, the lower ball joint from the Silverado, because as y'all know, it snapped unloading it here. So take a quick look at it. You can see the lower control arm right there. But yeah, we're gonna have to, I went and got me a kit, rented that from O'Reilly's, and so I'm gonna jack it up and then start wrenching. Alright, time to go off. Oh, yeah, let's do that. Let's go ahead and put this under it just in case. We're gonna need a jack stand, but I really don't know how it's holding itself up right now. But as you see, it's supposed to be like that. But this is what I really need to replace. But now, like, the motor's out, like, I don't need it to really go anywhere. So right now, I'm just putting the ball joint in, so it doesn't look like it's a beat up truck, I guess. I don't know, because the people around here, they'll tow your truck for anything. Last night a truck got towed. A truck got towed and I thought it was mine, but it wasn't. So I was like, maybe I need to put a ball joint on it, put the bumper back on, make it look like a running truck, you know, so they're not like, hey, you know, you need to get your truck out there unless it's running, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to pry this a little bit, and it's gonna like smack hard probably to the ground. I hope it doesn't, but you know, we'll see. All right, here's what I'm working with. Moved it to the side a little bit. So this right here is supposed to be on top of this. Ow. And so I'm gonna undo this bolt, and hopefully this thing don't fall on me. I mean, I moved it quite a bit. See if I can catch it. Just like that. So that's what we're working with right now. So I'm gonna try to pick this up and put it on the jack. Alright, so I got angled like this. You can see it better now. So I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna hammer it a little bit, see if I can't get it to budge without using that kit. So yeah. Alright, so there is gonna be a ring around this that you're gonna have to undo. I really don't have a tool for that. I'm gonna try to just get a flat head and kind of pry it out, but yeah, man, I think I can just be able to hammer this one out, so we'll see. I don't know if I'll be able to get this on video or not. So, all right, so finna go on a lunch break, grab some grub. Right now, it's kind of, this is like ridiculously hard for some reason. Like, I know ball joints are always like not the easiest, but you know, that's probably been there since 2010 or something like that. But I'm gonna grab some grub and then get back to this. So yeah, we're back in business. Got to get this off still. I mean, I made a little bit of progress, but obviously not a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get it taken off camera, because at this point I don't know how long it's gonna take, because it's really hard to get out. So yeah, I'll just get back to y'all when I'm done with everything. So yeah, so I've been doing it wrong this whole time. So this is supposed to go down, and I kind of figured, but I don't know why. I just thought it was gonna go up. But so yeah, I might be able to hammer it out, or I'll just use the tool how I'm supposed to use it. So I've been using it wrong this whole time, but let's see if I can pop this out. Did it wrong the whole time. Oh shit. Man, I'm such a... I could have had that bitch out, you know, like that. You know, maybe sometimes you just gotta look things up, because at first I was like, maybe I'm doing it wrong, so let me just look at a video quick. I thought I knew how to do it, but turns out I didn't. So let's go ahead and clean these up, and then I'll pop the other one back in, and then we'll be good to go.
3 hours later.
Hoping if I do this, ideally it should just fucking slide on. You know what I'm saying? Because like at this point, I'm about to give up. You know what I'm saying? Because like I've been heating this up since 6, and it's right now it is 6:33. So I've been heating this up for 30 minutes. So about 7 o'clock, I will go grab the ball joint. I'll still be heating this up. I'm gonna grab the cold ball joint. Ideally, it should just go on a lot easier than it has before. Alright guys, it's the next day. I lost the footage, the rest of the footage, but I got it all put together. So yeah, it's good for now until I can't. I don't know if I can move it, because there's one problem is they wouldn't bolt up. Like it would bolt up, but it wouldn't go all the way. So as you can see right there, and on the upper, it wouldn't go all the way. Like it wouldn't bolt up all the way. It was just it was spinning, like the knuckle was spinning. So but as long as it's sitting straight, I ain't really worried about it, because I just want it to sit straight for now. It does look a little bit higher because there's no engine in it, obviously, you know. But yeah, I'm still waiting on some parts for the truck. It will be a little bit before I'll be able to get all the other stuff. I still gotta send the engine to the engine shop, but like I said, I'm not too worried about that ball joint not being tightened all the way, because I'm getting all new suspension anyways, you know. I just needed to stand up straight. So that'll be it for this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below what you think. Definitely don't do what I do with the ball joint, because I kind of just rigged it up. I just wanted it to sit straight like I said. But until next time, I'll catch y'all later.